All right, boys and girls, we are going to learn a little math lesson today, okay? So remember before we were learning all about penguins and we talked about measuring them and going on a trip to Antarctica. Well, now they're going to use these same penguins for some addition and some missing add-ins, okay? So let's look at this. These are baby penguins. It says, look how the baby penguins love to stand on the high and low ice ledges. So we've got a high ice ledge and a low ice ledge, okay? They're getting ready to jump into the water. Each ledge has only enough room for 5 babies. Let's find out how many baby penguins there are in each picture below. Okay, so how many can stand on a ledge? That's right, just 5, okay? So we've got how many on the top? Good, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And on the bottom we have 1, 2, 3, okay? So then if I was going to write an equation for this, I would write an equation that looks like this. I would say 5. Let's get my pen to work. Hold on. 5 plus 3. And how many do I have all together? If I say 5, I count on 6, 7, 8. Okay, so my answer would be 8. Now, if I go down, how many are on the top? 5. Very good. And how many are on the bottom? Another 5. So if I want to do my doubles fact, what's 5 plus 5? Very good, guys. It is 10. 5 plus 5 equals to 10. Sorry, it's not as easy to write with this thing as it is to write with a pen. It's work. Okay, now on the bottom, do I need to count this up? No? So I know how many can fit on a row? 5. And we see that on the top. And on the bottom, how many are we missing? Just 1. So how many is that really? It's not 5 plus 5. It's 5 plus 4. What is 5 plus 4? Well, the answer is 9. You're right, but I could think of this as like 5 plus 5, which we know is 10 from the last one, and just take this one away, and I would get 9. Okay, so let me go to the next page for this. In order to do that, I have to come back here. Okay, so on this, it's trying to load. This is going to be another thing with addition. It says, now let's visit the adults. Adult penguins are much bigger and stronger than the babies. So remember, the babies can only have 5 on a ledge. This says each ledge has enough room for 10 adults, okay? So let's find out how many there are. So if a ledge is full, how many is it, boys and girls? Good, we said 1 full ledge of adults. Oh, look at that. That is from last year. Let's start all over. 1 full ledge of adults is worth 10. Very good. Okay, so I'm going to put 10 on the top ledge. And how many do you guys see on the bottom? 2. Very good. 10 plus 2 is, it is 12. 10, 11, 12. Very good. Let's go like this, okay? So now let's roll down. Do I even need to count this top row? I do not. How many are on a row for adults? Good, it's 10. Okay, so if I look at this, I have 10 on the top, and on the bottom I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 plus 5, these are my 10 and some more facts, my teen facts. What is this answer? You are right, it is 15. Okay, now if I scroll down here a little bit more, I see how many on the top? I do, I see 10. Very good. This is easy for the top one, right? And on the bottom we see 2, 4, 6. What is 10 plus 6? It is 16. If I were to count on, I would say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, that is how many I have all together. Okay, let's go to the next page. So this next one, I bet it does the same thing with my answers from last year. As soon as I get my marker out, it's going to want to show you all the answers. Okay, if I do this one and I zoom in, okay, this is a little practice page for how many are on each ledge, okay? And I am going to put this out there. If you would like to do it with your mom or dad, you can. Or you can just talk to them and just tell them what is on this page, okay, how many you see. All right, I will put that one out there so that you can do that with mom and dad. Boys and girls, all we're doing with this is we're just doing 10 plus some more, okay? These are our groups of 10 and some more. They're pretty easy ones, okay? And I will leave this for your mom and dad to be able to do with you. All right? Thank you so much, guys. I hope you're learning something today. Have a good day. Bye.